Okay guys, so this is a hugely popular niche. It's natural cures. Now all sorts of people are searching online to find natural cures for various types of ailments. So it's a very big niche. Now I've got here natural cures is a volume of 8,100 a month, but it's much bigger than that because obviously that's on a very specific keyword, and people are looking for all sorts of treatments and videos that teach them how to do these things. Now it fits with the Simple Traffic Blueprint type strategy because you don't have to be on camera to discuss any of these types of natural cures. You can really build up things like PowerPoint slides and use softwares such as Vidnami, which is a software that allows you to build videos with slides, and you can build up a really nice presentation that you can use as videos. Now again, you can just share your screen, use PowerPoint and just do talkovers, and this is a very good niche to get into. Huge amount of affiliate products in this niche, huge amount of products that you can go ahead and make money with. Now if I just show you an example of a couple of sites in this space, you have this one here, this Finding Natural Cures, has 10,000 subscribers. They have lots of different things, I don't know, varicose veins, how to relieve headaches, chest exercises, double chin exercises, you know, lots and lots of different things that you can put in here. Now some of these you would have to be on camera for obviously, but the vast majority of these you wouldn't. Let's just take a look at this headache one here. Now they're using something like Vidnami by the looks of it because they have some video footage here, but they have some text over the top and they're just doing a commentary on it. So they're using a software like Vidnami, but again you can do this with PowerPoint if you wanted to. And again, there's a lot of this is just stock footage that they're using to create this. Now when you actually look at how they're monetizing, they're obviously being monetized through YouTube and AdSense, which is Google AdSense. And also when I come down to their description, I can see that they have various links to their social media accounts, various links to their Spotify accounts, and they're actually direct linking to some resources here. So again, you could be using Amazon type products on here, you could be using affiliate products on here, lots of different ways that you can use a niche like this and not actually be on camera. Now here's another example, Natural Cures. It's a really big one, this one, but you can use this as inspiration, so don't be worried about how big the actual site is. You can use it for the type of content that you can actually put on your own site. So this has got 3.8 million subscribers. They will obviously have some ad revenue with this, and again lots and lots of different herbal type medicines being described on here, different teas that they're making, all different types of natural cures. So if this is something that you're interested in and is a topic that you know a little bit about, this could be a great one for you. And the last one here is a different one called Natural Cures Home Remedies for Health, 113,000 subscribers. Again, lots of different videos on very wide range of topics around health, and lots of simple videos as well. Top 10 uses of sandalwood in oil. Take a look at this one, 12,000 views, and you can see here how simple this actual video is. All it is images with some text on top of it, and then there's a lady who's actually doing a commentary on top of the text. That's all this is. So you can create this with PowerPoint, you can use various types of software to do it, but essentially this video's had 12,500 views and will be monetized. Here you see there's Amazon links to these various essential oils which people will click on, and you'll be able to make money. So there's no reason why you can't do this. It's a great strategy for Simple Traffic Blueprint. What I did was I put some keywords next to this video that you can use for research. You can come into YouTube, get some inspiration, or use those keywords for topics for your own videos. So all you need to do is build your channel, get online, start making those videos, then over time you're going to start seeing lots and lots of visitors because this is a great niche.